Okay, welcome everybody, I'm Vasco and today I'll show you how I'm playing Tuyo. If you have not seen my cover, you can check it out so you know what we are going to do. It's one half step down in the original, so if you want to play along with the original recording, we can put a capo on the first fret. But for this tutorial, we're not using a capo, we're doing it one half step down, okay? So let's not waste time and just jump right in. Soy el fuego que arde tu piel. Soy el agua que mata tu. Alright, so the intro is what really got me into this song, and we'll start with it. Now, I will show you how I'm playing it on one ukulele. My patrons, you have the PDF with 2 ukulele stuff, which is going to be a lot easier, and also you have another PDF with the 1 ukulele tab that I'm going to show you right now. Let me come closer. Okay, so I start right here with the ring finger. Okay, this is important detail. You always have to grab this tone on the 10th fret here for this intro with the ring finger. All right, so I'm grabbing, this is a C minor, okay? The pinky is on the 11th fret and the ring finger is on 10th fret, all right? And then just with the ring finger on one string, I'm doing 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 3, all right? What you can remember is you have to avoid the 7th fret and the 4th fret, and you hit all the rest of them, okay? Okay, and here we grab the chord of D minor 7 flat 5, which is like this. And really quickly, now you can skip this detail if it's too hard for you, but you can also do this. All right, hammer on and pull off. Really quickly getting back to 11th fret again with the ring finger, all right? And here we are grabbing the G7 shape, but up here, all right? Okay, and we do the same, just with the ring finger we slide, avoiding the 7th fret and the 4th fret. Okay, and here we are grabbing C minor like this, and the hammer on here is on 5, 6, 5. Okay, again really quickly getting back. Okay, and here is where it gets a little bit different. G7 on here, and then we grab C minor, 3, 5, 6, 8, 11, and here we grab again. Okay, and the last one is right here. We're playing the G and C string open, and then C string on the 3rd fret, and then like this from 3rd to 7th, 8th on the E string, and then keep holding this, and we play C string, E string on the A string 6th fret, and then the 10th fret, and the 10th fret is on the first time. You play it and you stop. Soy el fuego. Okay, so let's see slowly how the whole thing goes. All right, and let's see the chords now that we need after that. So we need the chord of C minor, then we need the chord of D minor 7 flat 5, and the chord of G7. After that we need the chord of C7, F minor, then B flat 7, and E flat, and then A flat major 7, and that's all the chords that we need. Okay, so here the parts is a matter of chords. The intro, which we already went through, but if the picking thing is too hard for you, you can just strum some chords and maybe hum the melody. We start from C minor, again. Soy el fuego. So we start with C minor, but we just do one strum and start singing. Soy el fuego que, then D minor 7 flat 5 to G7 to C minor again. And we repeat this twice. Da, 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 da. And then part B starts with C7. Okay? Da, 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 to F minor, to B flat 7, to E flat, to A flat major 7, to D minor 7 flat 5, to G7, to C minor. And here we have little walk that is, okay? While holding C minor, what I'm doing is here on the 4th fret of the E string, 4, 3, 1, going to C string, 3, 2, open. All right, and we go to part C, which is D minor 7 flat 5, twice, to G7, twice. And this whole line, we're repeating it one more time. Con mirarlo y tuyo será. And now we go to C minor, and here you can just do C minor, D minor 7 flat 5 to G7, and again. And you can finish it like this, but I'm doing something more. So on the first C minor, I'm playing it, and then I'm doing on the C string 6, 5, 3, D minor 7 flat 5 to G7, and on the second time, I'm playing the whole chord, and then on the E string 7, 6, 3, 4 with the pinky, and arranging to grab the D minor 7 flat 5, and here on the G I'm doing this little walk 2, 5, grabbing C minor with the pinky here on the 5th fret, then releasing it, and then 5th to 6th. All right, so slowly, just the last line. Tuyo será, tuyo será. And this is how I finish the song. All right, so that was it. That was my tutorial for Tuyo. Let me know if you want a fingerstyle tutorial for this song, because I think it's almost ready. If you guys want it, I'll just do it and upload it. So let me know in the comments below. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.